What's good, fuckers?
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Okay, mag-ready na ako for my ride today. Medyo late, it's 7:30. Pero kasi yung asawa ko, meron siyang trabaho. At pumapasok siyang 7. So, kapag ganun, hinihintay ko na pasok muna siya. That's why I'm a little late, but it's fine. I'll be done in a couple hours. So, 9:30, hindi pa naman masyadong mainit. And hindi naman ako nagpapapati. So, alright. Okay, nandito tayo sa labas ng Clark. Just taking a quick break. Pero actually, dun sa perimeter road, I was drafting behind a trike going like 40 for like 3 kilometers. That was pretty cool. Never drafted behind a trike that long. It just sucks like when they do break, you gotta pay attention. Talagang accident ka kung hindi ka paying attention if you don't have good brakes. So always practice your braking para safe tayo. Whew. Okay, so hindi ako papasok Clark, especially sa main gate bawal, dapat sa side gate or sa friendship gate. Gagawin ko niyan, ride ako papunta highway and then down the highway to friendship and then home. So a little loop lang, short ride lang in preparation for tomorrow's long ride. Alright. Hey, what's up, fuckers? It was good. So just got back from a short ride, 20 kilometers. I call it the Angles Loop. Little short ride because I didn't want to do a long ride tomorrow. I plan to do a long ride, and I guess this is a good time to do a bike check. And so I said in my intro video, I ride a Giant Contend SL1 2020 with disc brakes, and here she is. So she's a 2020 model with 105 group set. So 105 group set, we got the shifters, we got the front and rear derailleurs. The crank is not a 105. And then we have the Alex frame, which is why it's called an SL versus the regular Contend. They say the Alex frame is better than the regular aluminum frame. Lighter, stronger, stiffer, whatever. And we got a carbon seat post and a carbon fork. We got 105 brakes. It's a pretty good seat as long as I keep my seat bones higher up here. There isn't a problem. When I go a little forward though, that's when I get some perennial pain. PR2 wheel sets. And it comes with 28C wheels, and they're tubeless ready. And as you can see here, ang daming space para mag bigger wheels. Plano ko is to do a 32C. That's the biggest that can fit in there according to Giant. You can see there's just a lot of space there. I want to do that because this bike is called an all-arounder, and I take that as being able to go pretty much anywhere, right? And so I want to do is kind of make it into a semi-gravel bike. I'll lose a little bit of speed with the bigger wheels, but if that allows me to kind of go a little to more different places and to deal with the Philippine roads a little better, gagawin ko yan. So along with that, gusto ko din mag-try ng mountain bike pedals. Right now I have the Shimano SPD SL pedals and road bike shoes, and I'm really curious about mountain bike pedals. I ride in the streets a lot, and it's just sometimes, especially when you're getting off a stoplight, it's a little hard to clip back on right away. All I've added to this is a bottle holder. I put this rear light back there just for a little safety during early morning rides. I have a cat eye padrone, wireless. It's a Bluetooth, I think, that connects to the speed sensor down there, and I have a cat eye flashlight for my light during the early morning rides. Oh, and it's not a quick release, it's a through axle, 12mm through axle. I've been riding this for about 3 months now, but yeah, it's a good bike. Yeah, there's nothing else besides the tires and pedals I want to do with it. It's a pretty good bike. Price wise, this is the price of like a Mio, but okay naman siya eh. I think sulit naman siya sa price niya dahil nga specs niya 105. It's a good frame, disc brakes, and dahil nga fat old cyclist ako, I really wanted disc brakes para safe ako, right? Kasi especially downhills or in the rain or something, dahil mabigat ako, 100 kilos ako ngayon, gusto ko ng bike na kaya talaga yung weight ko. So yeah, that was my bike. And oh, lastly, so dati na-try ko mag Vertu saddle, which is like this plastic, it looks like a web design. I'll put like this picture right here. And okay naman siya for short rides kasi sobrang lambot niya na kapag umupo ka, yung gitna bababa, parang hammock. So parang naka-hammock yung puwet mo dun. Pero yung problema kapag tumatagal, dahil bumababa dito and plastic siya, nagiging banana siya. So ito tataas, ito tumatama sa undercarriage ko. And so for long rides, I don't think na maganda siya. For short rides, okay lang. Pero tinanggal ko yun, hindi ko na siguro gagamitin. Hindi ko siya ma-recommend talaga. Unless for short rides, if you're not planning on doing long rides, if you're just a recreational, get some exercise right around the subdivision, pwede siya. Pero on long rides, hindi ko talaga siya gusto dahil nga umangat to and tumatama sa undercarriage ko. But yeah, it has drop seat posts, which you can see in the newer bikes. I think this is a good bike. Any problems? So nung una nagka-problema ako sa shifting, or after couple months na palagi nag-shift mag-isa yung rear kapag nasa hard gears ako, and then yung sa harap naman hard to shift back up from the small gear to the higher gear sa crank. So after ko pina-tune up, wala nang problema. I think that was just because 2 months ko na ginagamit, di ko pa pina-tune up. Naglalagay naman akong lube, pero it's probably because hindi ko pina-tune up. Pero now napatune up ko, maganda siya, walang problema, walang problema, and komportable naman siya. I think it's a little long, a little stretched out for me, pero okay naman yun, na kailangan talaga masanay yung katawan ko. Hindi lang talaga ako sanay magbike. Alright, fuckers, thank you for watching. Please subscribe.